What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going over an NT fairing kit for a 2000 and a 2001 Yamaha R1. As you can see, I already took the front cowl out just to take a look at this thing, and this thing looks absolutely amazing. It looks so good. It's gonna look awesome on the bike. I can't wait to install it. It's actually going on my buddy's bike. I'm not gonna take the rest of the fairings out. It's kind of crazy how they pack so much into this little box, but everything was packaged up very well and super secure. So yeah, I'm super excited. Just look at this quality, man. Paint looks amazing. This is gonna look so good on his bike. He does have fairings on it, but they're broken and they're like mismatched colors and everything. So this is gonna be a huge upgrade to his bike and he's gonna be super happy. It does come with a free bolt kit, a free windscreen, and heat wrap, which is definitely needed. Let's go take a look at the bolt kit really quick because I was pretty impressed by it, just by what was in there. All right, so here's the NT fairing bolt kit. Nice little case. Love this right here. That's pretty cool. I love how that looks. Obviously, these things just clip right onto there. Then we will open this baby up, take a look at it. Okay, nice. We got a good sticker, so that's cool. Appreciate that. And here is our bolt kit. Oh, we got a little chain thing. Cool. Didn't expect that one. But let's see, we got a whole bunch of bolts. We got the plastic. These are, what is this? This is for the windshield. Awesome, that is definitely needed. We have bolts. We have all types of stuff. Ooh, we got grommets for like the lower and side fairings, which is awesome. We're gonna need that for sure. We have push pins, which is definitely gonna be needed for the back and some other parts. Plenty of fasteners. What else they got in here? Whole bunch of fasteners, whole bunch of fairing bolts. These are Allen heads, which is awesome. Oh, these are nice. So there is, hold on, let me see if I can grab this without it. So these bolts right here, if I can get them, they're like a little screw. These things are awesome. These are actually for the front headlight cowl. These screw into the plastic and you need these types of things. So that's super important that they got them in there, which is great. And then a whole bunch of fairing bolts. So pretty sweet kit, not gonna lie. This is definitely helpful. A whole bunch, we got like bigger ones of these and some smaller ones, which is definitely needed. So I think overall this is gonna be a awesome bolt kit. I like how they have, I don't know if these just fell into there. I think they're a smaller size, but there's plenty of these little plastic. Oh, I just lost that one. I'll go grab it. But plenty of those little plastic things which will be needed. So overall, I gotta rate this bolt kit very good. So here's a couple of before shots. You know, this is obviously someone painted this. This was painted. It's not even somewhat close. And these just kind of look like junk. And this one's broken. And you get the drift, scratches, and all that stuff. So it's gonna look really good when we put this on here. So let's just start disassembling this thing, and we'll put the new fairings on. So something that I found interesting was that these grommets, there's about 8 in here, I think. I had to use 2 of them, one for one for here, and one for here because it was missing it. So you can actually use those, and we should have enough left for the fairings as well. A little tip, guys, when you're doing your front cowl, get your windscreen, put that on the cowl first before you install to the fairing. Put your rubber grommets in each of the holes. There is 6 bolts for the windscreen, and they are the smallest washers. Make sure you put these washers on here because you don't want to end up messing the paint that's on here. Obviously, it will go bolt, washer, and then it connects to the nut. Attach this complete assembly, and then we'll put it on the bike. Yeah, so everything lined up really good on this fairing kit, and the paint job is beautiful. I gotta say, super nice. Do gotta put that other mirror on, but overall everything looks really good. Look at the lines. Look at how good that is. Everything lines up perfect. What a beautiful color too. So super happy with it. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for the video. Big thumbs up for NT Fairing and the great aftermarket fairings that they offer for everybody.